Are you looking to build a gaming PC using PC Part Picker? Then you are at the right place. We have got all the details you need to maximize the potential of this platform. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. How to build a gaming PC using PC Part Picker. Before we move on to the discussion of how to use this platform, it is important to understand your needs and then use this platform to find the best option. Additionally, since there are a plethora of options available, you need to be very clear of your choices to avoid getting confused. Nevertheless, let's move on with how you can use this platform. Once you visit the website, click on Builder tab. It will then take you to a PC customization UI where you need to pick parts. Once you click on, let's say CPU, you can see a number of options. Now you need to choose your option and click on Add. And if you click on the products itself, you will get links to purchase them online. Check their price graph and reviews on it. So you will have enough data to calculate its choice. Once you finish adding all the parts, you will see there are provisions for adding accessories like headphones, sound cards, etc. You can add all of them as well. Now you will get your total budget based on the items you have added. And if you keep scrolling down, you will see more additional information which can help you make any final changes to the configuration. And there you have it, a detailed guide on how to build a gaming PC using the PC Part Picker. We hope this guide has worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solutions solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.